Hey you all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are here, you are trying to see how I lost 10 pounds in 1 week. If you're interested in seeing this video, which I know you are because you clicked on it, just keep watching. Okay you guys, so from the title of this video, you are wanting to see how I lost 10 pounds in 1 week. I am going to tell you all. So let's start with saying that I didn't think that this was possible. I've never lost this much weight in 1 week, but I am very ecstatic about it. I lost 10 pounds by doing keto. Now, some people rave about this diet, some people stray away from this diet. Me personally, I was very nervous about starting keto, only because I've watched a lot of videos and I've heard a lot of horror stories, and I've heard good, but I've heard, you know, people talk about keto flu. Is that my mouth? I've heard people talk about keto flu. I've heard people talk about the symptoms that they got from doing keto, and it kind of strayed me away from it, and I'm not wanting to do it. And my spouse was like, honey, you are not finna be up here dying on my watch, so you ain't finna do it. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna get that out of my mind. So then I went on to work out and eating better, and it's just, I wasn't seeing results. Like, I was just staying stagnant. Like, I worked out and ate right before I started keto for about a month, and I only lost 6 pounds, you all. 6 pounds. Now, I don't know what I was doing wrong. I could have been doing something wrong, but in my eyes I was doing right. And I'm pretty sure we all had a moment where we feel like we are just doing the best that we can do, and you still don't see the results that you want to see. I decided I was going to do it, and I still had my doubts about it, but I was like, you know, I've tried many of things that I could have died from. I'm pretty sure that this one ain't going to be one of them that's going to kill me, so let's try it. So before I did it, I made a list of what I was going to get from the store, what I was going to do, and if this didn't work, y'all, I was going to get surgery. Boop! No, I'm just playing, y'all. So I've been on keto for 3 weeks now, you all, and it has been going good so far for me. I'm going to tell you all about it, but I want to start off with that first week. I did lose 10 whole pounds. 10 pounds. And it was something that I've never seen before, because I had my doubts. After the first 5 days, I was down 6 pounds, and I was like, oh yeah, I can do this. So then I kept going, and then I started on a Tuesday, then I weighed myself again the next Tuesday, and when I saw that I was down 10 pounds, I could have jumped for joy. Like, I was like, oh my God, this is for me, this is life. I'm going to continue on this forever. I'm gonna be skinny walking around here looking good, honey. I'm gonna be on this forever. But anywho, y'all, let me tell y'all, I didn't have any symptoms like the people were saying that they had the keto flu and this and that. I tried to keep my water intake up. I just tried to make sure that I was doing the best, to my best ability that I could do it. Like, tried to make sure that everything was still up, everything was good. So I did get energized from the keto diet. I got a lot of energy from it. But the only thing that I can say is that I did stop working out. I'm gonna start back working out, you guys. It's probably gonna start back next week, not this week, because I'm gonna tell you about that later. I'm gonna tell you at the end. I'm not gonna jump ahead of myself because I get my notes what I want to talk about. Anyway, so yes, so the first week I lost 10 pounds. Now I want to tell you all that everybody's body is different, and everybody reacts to different things a different way. Now, if you decide to do keto, I advise anybody who wants to do keto. Just do it and try it and see if it works for you. Now, my results are my results, and what your results are going to be your results. If you do it, you could lose more than me, you could lose less than me, but it's still going to be a loss. Like, if you're doing it the right way, you're going to lose weight. But y'all, all in all, this whole 3 weeks I've lost 15 pounds, which is still good because, first of all, it's only been 3 weeks and I lost 15 pounds. But secondly, I didn't even do that in the whole month that I was just working out and eating right. Like, and that was like me cutting back on portion sizes, me eating the healthiest that I could eat, and I wasn't losing nothing. So 15 pounds in 3 weeks is very good to me, and if I can go 3 more weeks and lose 15 more pounds, I'd still be happy with that. So I want to say that the benefits of being keto is definitely I've gained a lot of energy, hence why my YouTube page is starting back up. I really wanted to be proactive with my YouTube page, but I haven't felt like I've had time, and now I have time. I ain't got nothing but time, y'all. Like, yeah, I ain't got nothing but time. So I've gained energy. I can say that I'm not sluggish when I wake up in the morning. I can say that, for one, the number one benefit is that I've been losing weight, and I've been losing a good chunk of weight. And it's not gonna be always 10 pounds every week, but you're gonna lose something. If you're doing it right, you're gonna lose something, and you're gonna see it. And that's another thing. I'm not bloated like I used to be. Like, I get bloated very easily. Drink a cup of water, I'm bloating. But I don't bloat like I used to. My clothes are starting to fit better. I can, even though it's only been 15 pounds, my clothing is starting to fit better. And I know that once I start keto back up, I'm on keto now. It's been 3 weeks. I'm on keto now. But Friday is a real turn up day. The whole weekend, actually. So I'm gonna turn up, y'all. I'm finna be drinking. I'm finna do it all. It's gonna be about me. It's gonna be about Ree. What you know about it? I just lean with a rock with y'all. No, it's the lean. Anyways, so I'm gonna turn up. It's about to be a celebration because, you know, you only turn 21 once, or, you know, 6 times, but nobody is counting. After my phone call Card Manager, I would see, I don't know if you can link that down below, but I'll try to link it down below. I found that on the Play Store. I have an Android, Samsung, So yeah, I found it on the Play Store, and it pretty much, you can input everything that you're eating, and it'll tell you how much fat is in it, how much protein, how many carbs is in it. You can input, if you have something that you personally you have, but it's not on the app, you can input it yourself. This is not a plug, y'all, because I'm not sponsored by nobody, but I'm trying to get to that point, honey, but you can input, you know, everything that you ate. You can input your water intake, and it'll keep track of it, so you don't have to keep track of it. But honey, y'all, I probably used that for like 2 days, and now I'm just doing what I do, because that just take a lot of work. I'm lazy, y'all. I'm lazy for real. But yeah, if y'all want it, I'll try to link it down below, because it does help. Because honestly, I feel like I was knocking myself out of keto a couple times, and just knowing, just having that reassurance, like I know I didn't knock myself out of keto, because there's no way to knock myself out of keto if this is all the carbs that I have. So I suggest that you download the app, but I don't want you to wreck your brain too much to where you feel like, if I download this app and I'm constantly putting stuff in, and I have to know this all day, let me focus on this and focus on this, and you're gonna end it, or you're not gonna continue with it, or it's gonna be too much. Don't do it. Just try to lower your intake of your carbs. If you want to slowly get into it, just slowly start to lower your intake. So sorry, y'all. Just slowly start to lower your intake of carbs, and your body will go into ketosis. It's just pretty much just gonna be burning more fat instead of glucose, and you're gonna be slim thick, honey. Do you wanna be slim thick, honey? Yeah, I ain't there yet, but I'm gonna be there, because honey, the way I'm dropping weight, I'm ready summer 2019. Bad bitch. Well, if you all like this video, let me know in the comments down below, and thumbs this video up, y'all, because I need to hear from y'all to let me know if this is something that y'all want to see, because I can do it. If y'all, okay, thumbs this video up. Let's start there, and get this video to like 15 likes, 15 thumbs up, and comment down below that you would like to see more keto videos, and I will make some more keto videos for you guys, because I can do like what I'm eating, give y'all some recipes of what I do, because honestly I've been just making stuff up as I go now, because I don't even be feeling like looking up no recipes. I've been just throwing stuff together. But if y'all would like to see more keto videos, and how I'm feeling and what's going on and how I'm dropping this weight, just let me know in the comments down below, and subscribe to my channel, because it is also about health and beauty and everything. If this is something that you like and you all want to see, let me know. I can't read no minds, so yes, I can give y'all, if y'all have cravings, I can give y'all something to curb them cravings without, you know, you getting out of ketosis. I can give you some keto foods. I can give you what you want, honey. I can give you what you want. But for real, y'all, if y'all want to join this journey with me, I'm going to finish out this week I'm gonna F it up this weekend, and then I'm gonna get back on my keto diet Monday. So if you all want to join me, let's do it together. We can all get back on keto together come Monday. So comment down below that you want to join the team and you want to join the weight loss team and get on this keto diet, and we can all keep each other updated. Email me. Shoot, I'm gonna link my email too. Y'all can email me. We can be friends, y'all. We can be talking about keto, what we doing, and y'all can share stuff with me as well, because I don't know everything, and I really barely know anything. So we can, you know, inform each other on some things. But with that being said, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all enjoyed the fact that I'm trying to expand this channel, and I'm definitely trying to grow this family. So what y'all doing? Y'all need to share this video. Y'all need to get me some more people on this page, because I'm trying. And subscribe. I can't say it enough. Subscribe. Make 3 pages and subscribe. That's what we're gonna do. Make 3 pages. Oh, how about that'll be a later day. I'm getting ahead of myself. But anyways, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm doing what I can do, and I'm doing the best that I can with getting these videos out. Yes, anyways, like I said, subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials, as well as I'm gonna venture out to keto whether y'all like it or not, because that's just part of my lifestyle, and this channel is about my lifestyle, and I'm gonna bring you all some more keto videos. So yeah, join the team. Don't be me. Hit the subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what y'all want to see from a real nigga, and I'll get back with y'all. Okay. Yeah, let me stop playing. I feel like I've been playing a lot. Let me get about this video, because I ain't got nothing to do for real. I could sit here all day, but I don't want to give y'all no hour-long video. I really don't want to give y'all no 30-minute, 20-minute long video, because y'all barely be wanting to watch the 10-minute videos. But with that being said, I will see you all in my next video.